When people work together, whether they're in the same building, the same town, or anywhere in the world, they bring with them their own thoughts, ideas, and understandings of the challenges they share. We can't read each other's minds, so we capture ideas in documents. But how do multiple people come to a common understanding and collect these ideas? Well, there are two traditional approaches: distribute a copy to each of them, or centralize a copy. With the distributed model like email, everyone gets a copy and people have plenty of freedom to work when, where, and how they want. There's usually some difference, or delta, big or small, between their mind's understanding of something and what actually gets communicated. At any given time, a person can be aware of their thoughts, what is captured in the document, and the differences between the two. A benefit of a distributed system is that everyone can edit their own copy independently and make that delta smaller and smaller until the document accurately reflects their understanding. But there's a problem. As people get their documents more closely aligned with their own thoughts, the deltas between each other's versions changes. Those deltas are a problem because people are unaware of them until after gathering them all back together and tediously combining the work. All too often, ideas get lost. To compensate for this problem, people centralize documents so that a group can work on the same copy. But there are problems with this too. People have to coordinate when, where, and how they work. As anyone changes the one and only document, they affect the deltas for everyone else. The result becomes a moving target. But could it be better? What if we put the best parts of the distributed model and the best parts of the centralized model into a whole new approach? DocThreads distributes the documents but centralizes communication. People can see where others in the group stand and the differences that exist. Those deltas, which were a problem in a distributed model and not even available in the centralized model, now provide valuable insight. A person's awareness is taken to a new level. It now includes everyone's perspective and the differences between them. The group can whittle away at the differences until a common understanding is captured in a single document. Mental telepathy would be great because then we wouldn't even need a document. Until then, DocThreads will get us thinking on the same page.